Welcome back to Please Find Your Seat. Today I'll be showing you how to use the Customise Site feature for your corporate events. Once you've navigated to the event that you're using, you'll come to your dashboard and you will see this button here, Customise Site. We're going to go ahead and click on that. Once it loads, it takes you to this page and it shows you all the features that we will be working with. So on this page, you are able to choose to upload a logo, a banner image across the top. You can change the background color, the text colors as well. And you can also choose to update what the please find your seat or find your table text actually says as well. All right, let's go ahead and upload a logo. So I'm going to show you a few variations of what you can do, but let's start with a Vogue theme. Okay, so I made my logo transparent. That way, if I do go ahead and change any background color, it's going to look really seamless rather than having like the white padding and a border around it. And now I'm uploading my banner image that I've chosen. So this is a pretty iconic shot that I'm going to be using as part of the theme. Now I really want to make this look quite luxe. So what I want to do is actually match the background to the same as the banner image. And that way it just looks like it's floating. You could also upload a transparent background for your banner. That would work. And then that way you could have the color all the way through, but that's looking really fun. Now, in terms of the text color, you can choose what you'd like to do. I'm pretty happy with actually just keeping it as a black. I think that's on brand and on theme. I'm happy to keep that as that color. I could make it white. No, I think it looks better if it's just like a duller gray. Okay, now if this was a corporate event, you might want to have the text saying something else. So please find your table. And then you might also have your guests searching for a company or by last name. So you could go ahead and add that in here as a direction for them. So search company or last name or surname. Save changes. Okay, so a great feature that you can have a live preview of all the changes that you're making. So you're able to visualize everything really clearly and see what the guests would see as you go and as you upload like your banner or logo. So for example, if you didn't want to add a banner image, you could just go ahead and remove it. And then that's the experience that your guests would see, which still looks really clean. It's completely up to you. Just make sure that when you are editing this page, you save your changes, because if you go to load your live site and you haven't saved, it will not save. So please keep that in mind. All right, I'm going to show you another example for a corporate style event. So I'm going to go ahead and just remove the logo and the banner that I previously used. Now let's do an event for Klaviyo. So I'm going to upload the banner and logo. Cool. And see here, this is not a transparent logo. So I actually am going to change the background color back to white just to make it look seamless. Or I could go and edit the logo itself to make sure I'm using a transparent file. Okay, banner. I just want to use the iconic orange branding that is associated with Klaviyo. I'm just going to have that sitting across the top, and then I'm going to change the color of the text to also match their branding. I am going to keep search by company or surname there for the guests to search. I'm going to save changes. And that's it. That's what it would look like. So the Customise feature allows you to really make the event your own. There's no branding on our side, so it's a very clean experience that you're able to provide your guests to keep the event feeling cohesive and really high class. As always, if you have any questions or need any assistance, please reach out to our team. We're more than happy to help. Thanks.